If you're new here, this is the short version. No tutorials, no step-by-step instructions. Just how I ended up out here building small cabins by hand. I didn't have a master plan. I wasn't chasing a big idea. I built one cabin, then another, and somewhere along the way, it turned into something slower, more intentional, and a little crooked on purpose. The first cabin started as nothing more than an idea in my head. I wasn't a builder. I'd never built anything in my life, and I didn't really know what I was doing. I just knew I needed to start. It was raw land. Nothing was easy. And most days felt like trying to figure out things as I went. I leaned on a few locals who were kind enough to help. And everything I didn't know how to do, well, I just learned by doing it. I fixed things after I thought I was finished. The problem is I put the insulation in before I should have. Now I've got water up here. I'm probably going to have to rip all the insulation out. And then I fixed them again. It wasn't perfect, but it was honest. And when that first cabin was finally done, something unexpected happened. People felt something there. They wanted to stay. Then I moved on to the second cabin. That one I bought with my brother, and we worked on it together with my neighbor Harold. Nothing lined up. The floors were off. I had to cut parts of them out just to make the space feel right. I resided the whole place. Reworked things I thought were already finished. It was still work. And still frustrating at times. But it felt different. And that's when it clicked. This wasn't just about fixing cabins. It was about creating places people could slow down in. Places that could take care of themselves and make room for what came next. At some point, I stopped rushing. I quit trying to make everything look perfect. And somehow things started feeling better. I began shaping things by hand, sanding them, burning the wood, and letting pieces sit until they felt right, you know? I stopped asking how something was supposed to look and started paying attention to how it felt. That's when the crooked fairy tale tiny house idea started making sense. That shift led to this current build. Something smaller, slower, a little uneven on purpose. Not big, not fancy either. Just a space that feels like it belongs right where it sits. Every detail doesn't need explaining. It just needs to feel right, you know? Now this one here will start renting soon. And after that, there will probably be more. Some on the ground, maybe one in the ground. Maybe one that even feels like a tree house. All small, all built with the same care. Nothing rushed. Well, that's how I got here. No big plan, no perfect timing. Just showing up, paying attention, and building one small thing at a time. If you're drawn to handmade spaces, slower living, or the idea that it's not too late to start over, well, then you're in the right place.